Next question is on Waaree Renewables. Venkat Ramani from Bengaluru is writing in and holding around 250 odd shares at 900 a piece and wants to know if he can continue to hold for the next 18 odd months. Prashant, I'll stick with you for this one again. Waaree Renewables, what's the outlook like? I mean, I know you mentioned that renewable energy is the next big thing, but what's the outlook specifically for Waaree Renewables?
I think continue to hold for at least 2 to 3 years from the current levels. As I said, again, energy, green energy, solar, and these should not be looked at the short-term perspective because you will see a lot of ups and downs or any negative news from the global markets. But again, having said that, the all-time high was 2,300. Post that there was a heavy correction in the market, and I think that's an opportunity again. Considering the ROCs and ROEs, and again valuations, again I think comfortable to justify 1,000 rupees, 1,060, 1,070 as a price. Current levels. But again, the view should be 2-3 years plus. Short term, you may see some kind of pressure, but again, buy on dip should be a strategy.
Buy on dips should be the strategy on Waaree Renewables. Now, what we do on this program, of course, is take you through a whole host of stocks, and we ask all of your questions regarding the technical and the fundamental outlook for the stocks that you want to invest in. But it's important as a fundamental investor to look at the depth of a company, and whether that's earnings, whether that's valuations, whether that's outlook for earnings going forward. All of that and more is covered on the next show, which starts at 11:30, and that is Know Your Company. Every day a stock is picked, and today the stock that is being picked is NCC, which is Nagarjuna Construction Company. The questions that are being asked are quite a few actually. How quickly can the cash tied up in working capital be realized? What are the plans to utilize the excess cash? There is a fact that the debt is increasing. Is that a concern? Can it be used to repay that debt? How is the competition shaping up in the space? And also the outlook on growth and margins, not least of which they will talk about the valuations as they stand. And remember, KYC also gives you a rating, our own NDTV Profit rating based on various metrics, so you can decide whether you want to invest in a company or whether you want to stay invested in a company that you're investing in.